Hello friends, welcome to Make Money While You Sleep channel. My name is Varun and today we are going to learn how to place options order on Tastyworks. Few disclaimers before we begin. The content is purely for educational purpose and it is not intended to be an investment or a financial advice. Before we jump into Tastyworks, couple of option basics for those who are completely new to options and new to these videos. Uh, so options contract is 100 share and which has got a defined expiry date and a strike price. There is a buyer and a seller just like any other trade for options. Buyer buys an option from a seller by paying a premium. Options work just like an insurance and there are two type of options, call and put. I have covered all these option basics in detail in my previous video. I will also put that in my description of this video. So in my previous video, I covered these two examples of call. This is a buying of a call and a selling of a call. We will try to place similar orders on Tastyworks today. So let's begin with buying a call. So this is Tesla buy to open call for 900 strike for March 19th. So let me go to my Tastyworks account. So this is trade.tastyworks.com. This is a web interface of Tastyworks. Let me go here. Let me type Tesla over here. This is the option chain. So now I can see the options chains of Tastyworks. And March 19th is already there as a selected date, but I can select any other date. So I have selected March 19th from here and I can see all strikes in this particular uh, column. So I have to search for 900 strike. So let me go for 900 and I can see 900. So calls are in the left hand side over here if you see here, and puts are on the right hand side of this option chain. And you can see there is a bid and ask or for call over here in the left hand side, and bid and ask for puts in the right hand side in these two columns. But I have to buy a call in this particular example. So I'll click on ask and now you can see it's buy to open one contract for March 19th on 900 strike. It's a buy call. See fees for call. So I can review. So now it's the same ticker. If you see buy open 1 March 19 900C, it is exact same ticker as I have got over here. Obviously the premium pricing is different because this is an example I took some time back and now premiums are way different. So now premiums are 74.95 per stock. So I can place order and it will start executing once I click this particular button. So let me go back and now try placing this particular order, which is a sell call order. So which is very easy now. What I need to do is either I can click over here. Just by clicking it, it toggles and it converts into a sell order. So now my strike and everything is anyway same. And this is sell to open -1 minus represents selling and everything else is same. So if I place this, this represents exactly this particular trade. If I can show you other flow as well. So if there is, so this is for clear guys. If I want to place it from here, I'll just go here and click this particular cell and it will place cell and this keeps toggling. So if you place, if you click some other place, you can always toggle and from here you can clear. All right, so let's try to place put orders as well in a similar way. So this is Tesla buy to open March 19th contract for 300 strike and it is a put. So I have to go on 300 strike for March 19th. I already have March 19th, so I don't need to change that. Let me go to 300 strike. Okay, here it is. I can see it here. Now it is a put and put is in the right hand side. So I will go ahead and click here Okay, so this is sell, so I will convert it to buy. So now this is buy to open March 19 300 put. Let me review. Buy to open March 19 300 put, exact similar trade. Of course the premium here is 2.69, but premiums have changed to 1.05 or something else, near to 1.05. So now if I have to place sell to open or put sell put order, I just need to go back. I need to just quickly toggle it, and that's it. So you can easily appreciate how fast it is to place an option order on Tastyworks. Again, I'm not affiliated to them, but I just love Tastyworks to execute my options contract. So this is what we have covered. So I showed you all 4 examples of buying a call, selling a call, buying a put, and selling a put on Tastyworks. Again, this is just for the basics. If you have opened a contract and this you have sold a contract, you have to do exact opposite to close the contract. So if you have sold a contract while opening, you have to buy to close that contract. If you have bought a contract while opening, you have to sell that particular contract. But nowadays many platforms provide a shortcut button to directly close the contract, so you don't need to know all these basics for while running the contracts, executing the contracts on the platform, but it is good to know. So key takeaways, to have Tastyworks for options, to use Tastyworks for options. The pros are Tastyworks provide you a margin account. You can check on their website what are their margin account conditions, but they are, I would say they are pretty decent. This is very user friendly for options. As I showed you in the example, how easy it was for me to, place the option order, as well as closing an option order. It is really easy. There's a button for that on each contract, so you can easily close or roll those options. They have got browser, desktop, and mobile app, so that is also pretty cool. Uh, and also you can trade options on the IRA account. So on your retirement account also you can trade with options. Many brokers do not allow you to trade options on their IRA account. You can only buy stocks. The con is obviously they have got a small commission on each of their trades, but the other apps like Robinhood or Webull, they don't have any commission on options trades. So that's one of the cons. But the kind of user friendliness they are giving to execute options, uh, I, in my opinion, it is worth it if you are serious about options. That's it, guys. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video. If you have any feedback and questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you want to master options further, you can register on moneywhileyouSleep.co, and I'll see you there. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Have a great day and see you again soon.